I gave you my heart.
In this video, we will be understanding the concept of inheritance. Okay, why inheritance is used? We use inheritance because of what we can say is making the program simple and to reuse the code. Okay, so let us explain by one type of figure you can tell. Okay, what I am doing is these are the three methods like fuel amount, capacity, and apply brakes that will be present in every classes like bus, car, and truck. So instead of defining in each and every class, what we are doing is we are creating just a class of a vehicle, and inside we are defining this type of common method as a common method, and later on we will be what we are going to do is we will be inheriting this class vehicle into this class bus. Okay, let me explain by one type of example. Let us create a example of animals. Okay, so what we have to do is just for creating creating a class, you just have to write a class, and then animals, like I'm creating a class of animal. Okay, so what I have to do is define a init method. So init init method, and then inside I have to pass a self keyword. Okay, now what I have to do, just remove it, sorry. Okay, now what I have to do is I am writing I'm printing here as animal created. Okay, now what I'm doing is just creating one type of method. Say for I'm creating a method of who am I. Okay, so who am I, like this, and what I'm passing inside is a self. So what I have to do is I'm printing it. So for I'm an animal, yeah, I am an animal. Animal. Oh yeah, I'm creating another method of names for it. I'm eating. What I'm writing is self, and then let me create a method which I'm printing I am eating. Okay, I am eating, like this. Perfect. Now what we have to do is I'm basically inheriting this animal class into the class of dog. Okay, so what I have to write is just to create a class like this, class, and then dog. Okay, perfect. And now what I'm defining is firstly defining a init method. So let's define a init method like this, init. Now let us get rid of this. But now what you have to do is just we have created an init method, and just I'm writing a print and I'm writing as a dog created. So basically what I'm doing is just I'm overriding this function. So because I want to override this function, so what I have to do is just firstly what I have to overwrite is dog created. So okay, dog created. Okay, perfect, right? Now now let us make a object. So for I'm making a object for my dog, which will be equals to dog, and like this. Okay, now what is this? I am creating a my dog. Okay, my dog as an object. My dog is an object, and using this my dog you can what you can do is you can say for access anything. So for I'm creating here one more method like def, and let me create my name. So for dog name, yeah, dog name. I'm creating this type of method, and what I'm doing is just passing the self inside it. Oh sorry, Yeah. Oops. Okay. I'm creating a self inside it, and I'm printing I'm dog. Printing I'm like this. I am dog. Okay, perfect. Now suppose I want to access this method. What you have to write is my dog dot dog name. So for dog, like dog name. Okay, that's this method. So I have to write this parentheses. See, what it does is it automatically is like a constructor, right? In it is like a constructor. It is being called as this type of object is created. So what it will print is it will print a dog created as well as I'm a dog. Say, for what I have to do is instead of accessing these all methods, I want to access these methods too. So what I have to do is just I have to inherit the animals class into this dog. So what I have to write is just write inside it as an animal, like this animal. Okay, you had successfully inherited. Now how did you know that I had inherited? Okay, so what I have done is here I have created a object of a dog, right? My dog. It is not of the object of this particular animal. So what I have to do is by using this object I will be accessing these values. So what I have to write is my dog. So for my dog dot I want to access this who am I method. So what I have to write is who am I, and like this. So what it will print as a what it will print is firstly it will print a dog created, I am dog, and then it will print I am animal. Okay, see, I am animal. We have successfully inherited the particular methods from animals to the dogs. So hope you will understand this. So let's see you in next video.
Like a Hellcat.